So far we've got an Ash. Yeah, because I don't expect the colors I like these days. I would wait to set those pack apples in, right? Or don't wait. Oh, Flamingo, I like that color. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you absolutely fucking